This is a 1940 Remington Quiet Model 1. It has new rubber on the platen, new paper feed rollers, and new rubber feet, and it's ready to type. This is a Remington Quiet Model 1. Has new rubber on the platen, and new rubber on the paper feed rollers, and new rubber feet, and new drawstring, and new ribbon, of course. It's got a really nice crinkle coat finish. And the keys look pretty good. Got a nice classic shape to it. The touch control, the adjuster here, you see the H for high, the L for low is worn off. But it doesn't look too bad. The finish itself is almost perfect condition, has very few blemishes. Two things about this are different than a lot of typewriters. The paper feed roller release to release the paper so you can straighten the paper. You push it away from you to release it and pull it forward to lock it in place. That's kind of backwards of what most of them are. Another thing you might want to know about it is the carriage. This is in the locked position right now, which it will be for shipping. To unlock the carriage, you pull this knob out. That's a little bit unusual, kind of nice. It's the Remington Quiet Model 1. Also included with this typewriter is a typing pad. It's felt-like material on one side and rubber on the other. You certainly don't have to use this, but if you want to quiet the typewriter down even more, it does help. This is the original case. It does have some wear. The corner's pretty worn here and down here. But it's not too bad shape considering it's from 1940. It does have some nicks and blemishes and scratches, of course. It's been cleaned and it's solid and latches well. It's for the 1940 Quiet Model 1.